Connecting Jira to Power BI allows you to visualize and analyze Jira data for better decision making. Here's how to get data from Jira to Power BI. Install the Jira Content Pack for Power BI. Open Power BI Desktop. Go to the Home tab and click on Get Data. Search for Jira in the data connectors. If Jira isn't listed, you may need to use the web connector or a third-party app from the Power BI app source. Connect to Jira. Select the Jira data connector. Enter your Jira URL and credentials. For cloud instances, use your email and API token. For server instances, use your Jira username and password. Use Jira REST API. If using the web connector, configure it to pull data via the Jira REST API. Use API endpoints to access specific data. Load data into Power BI. Once connected, select the tables or fields you want to import. Click Load to bring the data into Power BI. Transform and visualize data. Use Power BI's query editor to clean, transform and model the data as needed. Create visuals like charts, tables, and graphs to analyze the imported Jira data. Schedule refreshes. To keep your data up to date, set up data refresh schedules in Power BI service by publishing your report.